Hey everybody, I'm Brenda, Queen Bee RV, coming to you from the National RV Training Academy, and today we're taking a look at RV maintenance made easy. If you're like me and love a juicy checklist, this is going to be right up your alley. There's something about crossing items off a list that is so satisfying, and it's no different when it comes to taking care of my RV. Staying on top of the daily, monthly, seasonal, and annual RV maintenance schedule gives me peace of mind that I'm not only protecting my investment, I'm also protecting my personal safety, plus my family's safety too. So this begs the question, how do we get ahead of the game or handle the effects of this regular wear and tear? That's where preventative and ongoing maintenance comes in. Stay with me while I share a few of my favorite maintenance and troubleshooting tips that I've collected over the years for the most common systems and appliances in the RV. Since the air conditioner tends to be one of the bigger ticket items in the RV, let's take a look at some of the things you can do to preserve this essential component. First, have your AC serviced 1 or 2 times a year, specifically before the hot weather kicks in. There are inspections that your certified RV professional can run to prolong the life of the unit. If you feel comfortable accessing your roof, there are a couple of items you can check on the AC while you're up there. Take a look at the shroud cover to verify that all 4 fastening bolts are in place and secure to avoid the cover flying off while we're driving down the road. The metal fins that you see on the backside of the exterior are the evaporator coils, and they can get bent or mashed easily, which can affect cooling efficiency. These get damaged either by weather events or even tree limbs, so avoid parking under low-hanging branches and keep the RV in covered storage when not in use if possible, and have a certified RV professional straighten the fins during servicing. Power spikes or even low voltage can damage the air conditioner, so an electrical management system like this one will help to protect from unexpected voltage highs and lows. Airflow is super important when it comes to your AC function, and this not only allows for better cooling, it avoids undue wear and tear on the system itself. Filters should be cleaned often, so find where yours are located and check every month during high use time. When it comes to operating the air conditioner, understand the power capabilities of your RV, whether it's 30 amp or 50 amp service, and how many watts you have available for use. The AC consumes a lot of watts, and especially on startup. Keep an eye on what other appliances are in use at this time. Overconsumption could trip a breaker or keep the AC from even starting up. Although your air conditioner requires 120 volt shore power to operate, a quick reminder that the thermostat is powered by 12 volt, so proper battery voltage might be a place to look when troubleshooting. The overhead air dump feature will cool the RV quicker during the hottest times of the day, and once it reaches your desired temperature, keep the individual air vents open and use the thermostat to control the temperature instead. That's a wrap, and I hope that you got some ideas and the confidence to tackle a few of these on your own. Or if you need the help of a certified RV technician, you can find one on the Togo app or by heading to rvtaa.org and click on Find a Tech for someone located near you.